Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through settings on Vivo Y95. So you have to start by opening your settings application, and now you have to scroll down and click on more settings. Then you have to scroll down and click on backup and reset. Then click on erase all data, and now select format phone storage and click clear now. Now click on erase everything. Now click OK. And now you can go to back and then click on reboot system. And as you can see, my device is now back to its factory settings and I have to perform phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.